अमेरिकी सदारती उम्मीदवार जो बाइडन ने बड़ा ऐलान कर दिया। जो बाइडन कहते हैं उन्हें इक़्तिदार मिला तो वो अपना वादा पूरा करेंगे और मुस्लिम तारकीन वतन के अमेरिका में दाखिले पर पाबंदी ख़त्म कर देंगे। जो बाइडन के सदर ट्रंप पर तनकीद करते हुए कहना था कि 7 इस्लामी ममालिक के अफराद पर इमिग्रेशन की पाबंदी लगाकर ट्रंप ने इख्तियारात का नाजायज़ इस्तेमाल किया। सदर बना तो पहले ही दिन मुस्लिम तारकीन वतन पर आयद पाबंदी ख़त्म कर दूंगा।
The tallies aren't just numbers. They represent votes and voters, men and women who exercise their fundamental right to have their voice heard. And what's becoming clear each hour is that record number of Americans of all races, faiths, religions chose change over more of the same. They've given us a mandate for action on COVID, the economy, climate change, systemic racism. They made it clear they want the country to come together, not continue to pull apart. My responsibility as president will be to represent the whole nation. And I want you to know that I'll work as hard for those who voted against me as those who voted for me. That's the job. That's the job. It's a duty of care for all Americans.